Tune in, activist. Ter Manyang Gatwech urges government to release Dr. Riek Machar and political detainees ahead of Independence Day. As South Sudan approaches its 14th Independence Day on July 9th, civil society activist Ter Manyang has called on the government to release First Vice President and SPLM-IO leader Dr. Riek Machar, along with other political detainees. The appeal comes amidst growing political tensions, ongoing conflict, and rising public pressure for a more inclusive and reconciliatory national agenda. Dr. Riek Machar, the country's first vice president and a key opposition figure, has been under house arrest since March 2025, following violent clashes in Nasir, Upper Nile State. Despite these accusations, Ter Manyang, the executive director of the Center for Peace and Advocacy (CPA), argues that continued detention of political figures sends the wrong message at a time when the country desperately needs unity and reconciliation. If we are truly committed to peace, dialogue, and national unity, then releasing Dr. Riek Machar and other political prisoners is not just a political act, but a moral imperative, Manyang said in a public statement. Let this Independence Day be a celebration of renewed hope and not continued division. Manyang stressed that the 14th anniversary of South Sudan's independence presents a unique opportunity for healing and compromise. He asserted that the release of Dr. Machar and others would serve as a powerful symbol of reconciliation and a renewed commitment to peace. We cannot build peace through detention, Manyang said. We must build peace through inclusion, forgiveness, and justice, Manyang directly urged President Salva Kiir and the Transitional Government of National Unity (TGONU) to demonstrate leadership by releasing political detainees, including Machar, ahead of Independence Day movement in opposition SPLM-IO. The main opposition party led by Machar has also continued to call for his immediate release. Most recently, it made a formal appeal to the African Union's Panel of the Wise during their visit to Juba, urging regional leaders to intervene and mediate the escalating tensions. The SPLM-IO has warned that Makar's continued detention could derail implementation of the peace agreement and risk a return to conflict. Activist Ter Manyang's appeal is a reminder that peace cannot be achieved in isolation. It requires compromise, accountability, and a willingness to let go of the past. The release of Dr. Riek Machar and other political detainees could mark a critical step in restoring trust, healing wounds, and steering South Sudan toward a more united and peaceful future. Whether the government heeds this call remains to be seen, but time is running out, and the eyes of the nation are watching.
Tamarla malam dijin liang wadun tla da ta galong ka tadun kelgane tegala ta ga to ne dene kanong yantama achar ga manan konamo to kon ke human right activist mne konalong an wuda malada long ka pimale dun South Sudan ko dem malde lunjo ka South Sudan ajan tega warga mita goron wala ka warga ga mata ja kuma South Sudan ke ja jimal ga dian da pimale ko de malde lunjo ka South Sudan Chawarga macha jakin manchar kawargak chela de no goro de gan machar Dr. Riek Machar de jeluin kana nega dal chaga yen kel amot kan chan alai ngar kanar change mon ke kuma South Sudan ke yakan ni chup an goro de ne to de galuin dur yena ko se kan de modul yen ga chalara macha kam South Sudan kalara je long no gau de ne to de ga maluin akan changa makan ni chup Raya macha ka kuma South Sudan ka chaja ka dimal ka dian den ka kumal ka ko dian bo e human right activism ngai ka long ane macha lara ajan mala report yum mondo dian tera lada akan la report ka Al Jazeera ngai kon Al Jazeera ga to ko waina and then would mo human right activism ngai ke wi mon macha do lara la te ka long budi long ko beten chenat be no go kelan go macha lado la gur ka banala dioda Anta me cha warga kamo god ka warga kamo. Dia wejano bata kamo bagwite ne jiwen mondo ko ken tilat ke mal ka koda mal winjo ka South Sudan. Ajaro ay chalada na mon wala to kon gelaro ko ken go ne bne gnya wan ngia bo kalar to go long kidan. Amoda bi atkel kane mi jeram kan channel mo gor gor din sanal mari ja gor ko di lapso di gajek. Tilada tet Da-Ter mar.